It's a protective layer. It's a very strong layer. The outside is this rounded, textured surface, and the inside is really like the fibers. Like that's what was holding the fruit, like all the peels that, you've got the outer layer that's protective, and then you have the inner layer, which is offering this nourishment and this fibers and connection. So there's just so many aspects to the orange peel, the tangerine peel, that inspired me, that I just realized, I need to really make these orange peels real. I need to make them in their color that they naturally are, with both aspects of the color, the inside and the outside. And of course we have the connecting part of like these umbilical cords, which are the stems. And the stems in this exhibition are also, you see them relating to each other. So they're having a conversation, they're connected, they're not alone. So these discarded peels are together, because often in Western culture, there's not much done with the peels. There's many cultures that actually do a lot with the peels. So peels are used for medicinal purposes. The bitterness actually is the healing quality of it. And I like to celebrate that. And in this exhibit, they are, together. We can see, one, if one wants to be on their own, they can be. But then we've got a cluster of 3 right here that are having a good time. They are definitely not discarded. They are definitely being appreciated here in the Amsterdam Museum, on view for everybody to be inspired. And I hope that when you leave this exhibit, that you don't look at orange peels quite the same way.